Are your Oracle apps crashing due to the VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor, the VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor library responsible for CPU virtualization, hardware-assisted execution, and memory management for guest operating systems. It is a core hypervisor component. If missing or corrupted, VirtualBox may fail to start virtual machines and display errors such as VMM module load failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Oracle to replace VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Most individual downloads of VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including VirtualBox Virtual Machine Monitor dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.